I use this chili oil. I love spicy food. Mix it with the egg. You don't need to put any seasoning because the sausages I have already have enough seasoning. I will show you guys more healthiest and easiest snack. But I like to cut it like this. Let's try a piece. Here we go. Oh, it's hot. It's a little bit burnt outside, but trust me, it's pink inside. It's not that burnt. It just crispy a little bit. That's how I like it. New Year's new snack. Welcome back. It's your girl's Viet Bunny. Today I'm showing you guys how to make the Vietnamese snack that every time I make this, my family, my friends finish it before I even sit down. I only make it once a year, so make sure you guys watch always. Let's get into it. So first, we're gonna cut the sauces however shape you like. Me personally, I wanna make it look like a pizza, so I'm gonna cut it this side. Actually, I don't need this anymore. It's not hot anymore. It's crunchy. I like darker color. Some of you guys like pink sauces. You can find any flavor you like. Me, this is a beef sauces. If you guys cannot eat pork, you can get turkey sauces. You can get any kind of sauces. Or, wow, it's actually really good. Depends on what kind of sausage you like. Me, personally, today we're gonna make Vietnamese style. I'm gonna pick Asian sausages. I'm gonna show you guys the brand after this video. So yeah, I broke it a little bit, but it tastes good still. I mean, I'm trying to make it nice for you guys, so I'm just move this away. I don't need to add the ugly part. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys the brand I got from. You can get everywhere, but this one, I'm telling you, it is a game changer. Everybody that try once from me, they always ask me my recipe. Just because you guys love me, I'll show you guys love, okay? Make sure you guys subscribe. And all my content is how to make it easier and make it quicker and healthier. That's what I hope for you guys for the new year. Healthier, wealthier, luckier. Instead of eating pizza every day, you guys can make this pizza at home with all the light ingredients. You wanna look snatch, even you eat snack, right? I eat a lot of snack. I'm a queen of snack, trust me. Every time I go out and my friends will ask me, "Mommy, what are you always eating?" But, you know, I don't really work out much. I eat a lot, but all the food I eat is like lightweight. I enjoy eating it and also it's healthy and it's snack. Not a lot of snack out there that's healthy, right? All sweet, but trust me, it's healthy. It has a little bit carb. I prefer rice more than bread because bread is higher, the longer process steps. Instead of bread for pizza, I prefer rice paper. So guys, all the ingredients are ready. Egg, sausages, and you can use any veggies you want, but I prefer, if you want to make it more healthier and taste better, use cilantro. I don't have green onion, but cilantro is worth. Heat on with the pan. You can use any size of pans as long as it fits to the rice paper. I make it rice paper few seconds in the warm water and it will be like this after a few seconds. Don't leave it there for so long. Trust me, only 5 seconds in the warm water. Take it out and it'll be like this. Okay, for the brand, for rice paper, I use this brand. It's very popular brand. No gatekeeping here. Ba cô gái rice paper, meaning 3 girls. Ba is number 3, cô gái is the girls. I'm teaching you guys Vietnamese as well. And when I spray some oil on it, I use this oil, avocado, pure oil spray. 0 calories. For me, my preference, I don't like seed oil. It's a lot of edges, so it's not good. I prefer no canola oil. Use avocado, olive oil, organic. Okay. Oh, it's hot. So we're gonna lay the rice paper slowly. Make sure it's slowly. If you wanna be thicker, then you can add 1 more layer. Depends on your preference. See? And then I'm gonna crack 1 egg, okay? And you can stir in here. You don't need to put any seasoning because the sausages I have already have enough seasoning. So we don't need to add any seasoning unless you want to add extra spicy. For me, I use this chili oil. It's not a lot of oil, but not a lot of oil is what's just gonna like. I don't like too much oil. This is straight to chili, not oil. Is this enough, guys? I love spicy food. Mix it with the egg, and then you can sprinkle some sausages around, make it look good, just like a pizza. This is really healthy Vietnamese pizza, quick snack. Now I turn on the gas a little bit higher. The first time, I recommend you guys should not put the temperature so high. You want to make it easier because the rice paper is really cooked really fast. So the first time, I would recommend you guys do not turn on the heat during the time that you put the rice paper on the pan. Then it's kind of ghetto a little bit because I don't have like a sriracha melt. I have a little bit of melt left, so I mix a little of sriracha and put it on here and shake it up. Yeah, I know, I'm so easy. All right, and then we just spray. And like this. If you want more spicy, as I do, you can add more of this. Really healthy and not a lot of calories, guys. And it makes you full. Protein of egg and sausages and less carb. The pizza less carb. And it's rice, it's not bread. Look, it's almost done. Ooh. Look how nice is this. It could be better. The point of being healthy is less carb by using rice paper instead of pizza crust. Trust me, the more you watch my content, it's gonna get better and better every day. I will show you guys more healthiest and easiest snack. You can make it for like a few minutes. And look, I just lay it on the pan. See? I don't really good at cooking, that's why most of y'all in here same thing. So I'm trying to show you guys, so this is the easiest and quickest way and the healthiest way. That's all we all want, right? So now, all we gotta do is just cut it to pieces. If you have a lot of people want to eat it with you, see, it's time to level up your snacks, making skill, and it's healthier. Or you can eat it like a pizza, like roll it like this and eat. Roll it and eat, but I like to cut it like this. Like a pizza pieces. Oopsie. Look. Let's try a piece. Wow. But I'm not gonna lie. So good. Perfect. See, this is the reason why before I sit down, people, all my friends, finish it before I even sit down. They always ask me the recipe, how to make this. Very easy. I already show you guys. What are you guys doing now? Subscribe to my channel right now. If you want to see more of this. Sorry, I've almost finished the whole rice paper pizza. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining my journey to how to make everything quick and easy for the next new year. Let's win together, guys. Let's go.